Dr. Duane Miller was recently selected as Top Professor Emeritus of the Year for 2024 by the International Association of Top Professionals, IAOTP, for his outstanding leadership, dedication, and commitment to academia. With decades of exceptional experience in academics, Dr. Miller has led an impressive repertoire of prior roles, including, but not limited to, serving as an NIH Fellow at the University of Washington, faculty member of Ohio State University, to Professor and Chairman of the Division of Medicinal Chemistry and Pharmacology, 1969 to 1992. Dr. Miller moved in 1992 and held the position of Endowed Professor in the Department of Pharmaceutical Sciences at the College of Pharmacy, located at the University of Tennessee Health Science Center in Memphis, Tennessee. In 2001, he assumed the position of Departmental Head for the Department of Pharmaceutical Sciences. Before embarking on his career path, Dr. Miller was born in 1943 on a farm in Larned, Kansas. He obtained his Bachelor of Science degree in pharmacy from the University of Kansas in 1966 and obtained his PhD in medicinal chemistry at the University of Washington in 1969. Dr. Miller has authored more than 480 papers, 16 book chapters, and given 432 presentations at national conferences. Additionally, he has 100 on new medical compound patents. In 1998, the first non-steroidal selective androgen receptor modulators, SARMs, were discovered by Dr. Miller and Dr. Jim Dalton, who now holds the position of provost at the University of Alabama. GTX, a commercial entity, first obtained the licensing rights for SARM and named it enobosarm, ostarine, and conducted clinical investigations with this compound. The human clinical studies evaluated for its efficacy in stopping muscle wasting and osteoporosis among individuals with cancer, but the FDA did not approve use in cachexia. Another company, Veru, licensed enobosarm and currently has it in phase 3 clinical testing for metastatic breast cancer. Veru reports muscle data from 5 clinical studies of enobosarm that support the advancement of enobosarm in combination with weight loss GLP-1 drugs, Ozempic, Wegovy, and Mounjaro, to optimize weight loss and prevent muscle wasting in a phase 2b obesity clinical study. Recently, in a collaborative effort with Dr. Ramesh Narayanan, a novel set of new selective androgen receptor degraders, SARDs, for cancer were identified. These SARDs exhibit the ability to effectively degrade the androgen receptor, hence offering potential therapeutic benefits in the management of castration-resistant cancer, CRPC. One of these drugs is currently under clinical testing for treatment of CRPC. This new agent, Oncternal 534, was designed to aid individuals in situations when conventional androgen receptor antagonists have proven ineffective in the treatment of prostate cancer. Throughout his career, Dr. Duane Miller has received many awards and accolades and has been recognized worldwide for his accomplishments. To name a few, Dr. Miller has received the University of Tennessee National Alumni Outstanding Teacher Award, 1994. In 1995, 2001, and 2005, he received the Student Government Association Executive Council, SGAEC, Excellence in Teaching Award for his teaching at the University of Tennessee Health Science Center's College of Pharmacy. He was named the University of Tennessee Pharmacy Class Teacher of the Year in 2006. He has advised 29 graduate students and 35 postdoctoral fellows. He was named to Who's Who in 2023. This year, he will be featured in TIP, Top Industry Professionals magazine. He will be honored at IAOTP's annual awards gala at the Opryland Hotel in Nashville for his selection as Top Professor Emeritus of the Year 2024. In his successful career, in 1990, Dr. Miller was honored with the title of Fellow by the American Association of Pharmaceutical Scientists, AAPS, in recognition of his contributions to the understanding of the structural and stereochemical requirements of androgen medications. He was honored as a Fellow of the American Association for the Advancement of Science, AAAS, in 2001. In 2008, the University of Washington College of Pharmacy bestowed upon him the prestigious title of Alumni of the Year. The American Chemical Society's Division of Medicinal Chemistry Award was bestowed to him in June 2008 at the National Medical Chemistry Symposium. The Division of Medicinal Chemistry Award is bestowed every 2 years in the United States to a scientist or collective of scientists who have made noteworthy contributions to the field of medicinal chemistry through their research endeavors, mentorship activities, and service to the discipline. He was inducted into the Medicinal Chemistry Hall of Fame of the American Chemical Society at the National American Chemical Society meeting held in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania in August 2008. The recipient was honored with the Vollwiller Research Achievement Award from Pharmaceutical Science Research by the National American Association Colleges of Pharmacy, AACP, in 2009. He was granted admission to the National Academy of Inventors in 2015 at the California Institute of Technology, located in Pasadena, California. In 2019, the University of Tennessee Research Foundation acknowledged his achievement as the individual with the highest number of United States patents, totaling 100. In 2015, Dr. Miller was bestowed with the honorary title of Professor Emeritus. Presently, he continues doing research with the aid of external funding, focusing on the development of innovative pharmaceuticals intended for the treatment of cancer, including prostate cancer, breast cancer, melanoma, and glioma. This collective effort involves esteemed researchers such as Drs. Ramesh Narayanan, Wei Li, and Lawrence Pfeffer. The collaboration between Dr. Wei Li and Dr. Miller has spanned more than a decade, focusing on the development of tubulin inhibitors. One of the outcomes of their collaboration is the creation of sabizabulin, a pharmaceutical compound that has been licensed by Veru. Currently, sabizabulin is undergoing phase 1 and 2 clinical trials for the treatment of prostate cancer. But more recently, it is also being investigated for its managing respiratory distress syndrome caused by SARS-CoV-2 in adult patients. His latest NIH grant is with Dr. Lawrence Pfeffer in the medical school on funding therapeutic enhancing drugs, PEDs, for treating glioblastoma. For more information, please visit www.mdpi.com.